How to make Instagram story in Picsart. Let's create an engaging Instagram story that turns heads. First, create a new project and set the size 2080 into 1920 pixel, the official Instagram story dimensions. Choose a photo background or a solid color, then use text, stickers, and effects to style it up. Add bold headlines, product highlights, countdowns, or quotes. Keep everything center aligned and readable. Use elements like borders, icons, or overlays to draw attention to key content. When your story looks clean, click export and save it in high resolution. What kind of stories do you post? Product promos, quotes, or daily life? Let me know in the comments below. Use Picsart templates for stories if you are short on time. They are customizable and super fast. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.